I would like to personally thank you for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be doing a unique style, and thank you for helping me reach 10K. So here's a progress of my hair from that video where I had all the oils that I mixed together. The blue shirt is before and the white shirt is after. The one in the blue is blown out, but I did straighten and trim my ends on the second one. So I hope that can help you guys out with that progress of my hair. I don't really take many pictures of length and all of that, so those were the pictures that I captured. I do notice a difference in thickness and the difference in the length a little bit. So I didn't record the video of me braiding upward in the back because it is very difficult to keep that in frame while braiding upward. So I will probably show you guys in another video when I do another braided ponytail, but for now I'm just going to show you guys the front. See, it's even hard to stay in frame in the front, so can you imagine what the back would be like? I do have a tutorial on how to do feed-in braids if you guys need that. I will leave it in the info cards above the video in the corner, or both in the description bar as well. And these braids are not painful because I use this edge gel. I will link it down below in the description of what I'm using. I don't think I've showed it in the camera. I can't remember as I'm recording this voiceover. So yeah, I will not take a picture, but I would leave a list of everything that I used in this video. Even the hair, I'm using the Expressions pre-stretch hair and I absolutely love it. I've used this hair in the past and it's so silky when you dip it in hot water. I had stopped using that at one time because they didn't have it in the pre-stretch form. So I started using Queen Bee hair and it was pre-stretch. But I must say I really love the Expressions hair better than the Queen Bee. Sorry, but I would still use Queen Bee, so either way I like them both. Like I said again, my hair is not tight. That is gel, edge gel to slick those baby hairs edges down. And I am using 5 strands per braid. And the length of hair that I'm using is 50 inches. So roughly 25 inches per, for the length of the braids. The 50-inch comes from them measuring the whole strand of hair, the whole length of it. So now I am done with the bun. I'm going to show you guys the 2 bangs that I will be doing. So I am doing a style that I saw on Pinterest, but the style is my style is in a braided form instead of having my hair out. I try to find styles that I like on Pinterest where people getting a ponytail done So I will try a braided version of that style, if that makes sense. So lately I've been seeing people with the top notch bun and the bangs in the front. So I said, let me try a braided version of that style. It's very unique. It's something different. I don't think I ever seen anyone with this hairstyle. So, you know, I have to be different when I come with these videos. And you guys, this was my birthday / Christmas hairstyle. If you don't know, my birthday is December 23rd, 2 days before Christmas. I am so sorry for uploading this late, but you know, when you're fellowshipping with your family members and having fun, you try to take a break. So I did sew these up together so they won't be in my face aggravating me. So if you do this, they won't be in your face. They will literally stay in place until you take the style out. Or once it starts to grow out, you can just resew them down. But for the most part, they are out my face, not aggravating me. So I am going to curl them because I've seen people with the curly bangs. This is before I put any foam on my braid, so you may see some hair sticking out. Don't worry, all of that will be sleeked down. Like I said, it is hard braiding upward, so it's not the best, but it's something. So this is the final braid. Oh yeah, I just don't know the relief you get when you're on the last braid. I'd be so excited doing these hairstyles, and I'd be so happy when I'm finished. Because what I visualize in my head is the way this style came out, and I'm so in love with this style. I am currently still wearing this style, and I normally leave my braids in for about a month, so. And I use the orange flexi rods. I don't like using perm rods. They irritate me. But I love the flexi rods because I basically can control the curl. So I would definitely leave the flexi rods in the description below where you can find you some at. Matter of fact, that edge brush, that is the best edge brush ever. Like I said, I'm sewing these down so they won't be in my face aggravating me. Excuse me for not being in the frame. I was in the mirror trying to look to make sure, but here I am. I will also leave those scissors down below. Those scissors, you gotta be careful because you can cut yourself. Trust and believe, those shears are no joke. I didn't dip them on camera because that's pretty much common sense. Yeah, just dip it in some hot boiling water. This hair curls very well and it holds a curl very well. I did not have to recurl them. So here is a final look of the style. I'm so sorry I didn't get a full turnaround, but here it is. This is me on Christmas and the other picture is me on my birthday. Thank you for watching.